Welcome to ANS Solver question 8 of this paper. So for part A, they are asking us to calculate the percentage increase. So how we do that is we take the difference of the two prices and divide it by the original price and then multiply it by 100. So the difference of the two prices would be 2.65 minus 2.5 divided by the original price, which is 2.5, multiplied by 100. So therefore, now all we need to do is input this into the calculator. So 2.65 minus 2.5 is equal to 0.15, divided by 2.5 is equal to 0.06, and multiplied by 100 is equal to 6%. So 6% will be your final answer for part A of this question. Now let's move to part B. So for part B, they are asking you to calculate the value of the investment at the end of 7 years. And this is at simple interest, and they've given you the principal amount, the interest rate, and the number of years. So we can use the formula, that is the principal amount multiplied by the rate multiplied by the time divided by 100 is equal to the simple interest. And they are asking us to calculate the value of his investment at the end. So we can simply add the amount. So that is the principal amount, and this would give us the total amount or the total investment after 7 years. So the principal amount is 500 multiplied by the rate, which is 1.5, multiplied by the time, which is the number of years, which is 7 in this case, divided by 100, plus the principal amount, which is 500. Therefore we can say now all we need to do is input this in the calculator. So let's do that. So 500 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 5250, divided by 100 is equal to 52.5, plus 500 is equal to 552.5. Therefore, the investment after 7 years would be equal to $552.5. So that would be your final answer for part B of this question, that is $552.5. Now let's move to part C. So for part C, they are asking us that they are telling us in a city the population is increasing exponentially at the rate of 1.6% per year. So it would be increasing, that means 1 plus the rate, that is 1.6 divided by the 100, divided by 100. And they are asking us to find the overall percentage increase at the end of 20 years. So we will raise it to 20, and therefore our final answer will be 1 plus 1.6 by 100 raised to 20, which will give us our final answer as 1.37364,389. Now since we need to give our final answer in 3 significant figures, our final answer will be 1.37%, because the fourth significant figure in this case, which is 3, is lesser than equal to 5. So it won't round off the 7 to the next number. Now let's move to part D of this question. So for part D, they are asking us to find the value of R, and they are telling us the population of a village is 6400. The population is decreasing exponentially. So exponentially meaning we have to use the formula of compound interest, but it is decreasing. So instead of 1 plus the rate, we will do 1 minus the rate divided by 100, rate divided by 100, raised to the number of years, that is 22 years, because they are saying after 22 years the population will be the following. So this is the formula, and now let's input all the values that we know. So the amount after the 22 years that they've given it to us is 2607, equal to the original population, that was 6400, multiplied by 1 minus, we have to find R, so let's leave R as it is, divided by 100, raised to T, which is the number of years, so 22. Now all we need to do is solve for R. So let's take 6400 to the other side of the equation. So 2607 divided by 6400 is equal to 0.40734375, which is equal to 1 minus r by 100 whole raised to 22. Now we can take 22 to the other side of the equation. Now when we take a exponent to the other side of the equation, it becomes the root of that exponent. So if it was square, it would become square root. In this case it's 22, so it will become the 22nd root of the following decimal number. So the 22nd root of the decimal number would be equal to 0.9599993901, which is equal to 1 minus r by 100. Now we can take 1 to the other side of the equation, so it will become minus 1. Therefore 0.959999 minus 1 is equal to negative 0.04000006, which is equal to negative r by 100. Now we can cancel the negative and the negative, and therefore r would be equal to 4%. Therefore 4% will be your final answer for part D of this question.